In this intermediate oil pastel color blending video, you'll see how to use multiple colors to blend together to make a more interesting, rich image. For this wave image, we'll start with the dark blue. I was thinking of putting it under where the wave was curling over and then deep in the sea. Moving towards a lighter blue, a little bit higher up. And you notice that these colors have not been blended yet. They're just sitting with the paper still showing through. It's only being colored. It isn't really mixed, which is what we mean when we're saying blended. I'm adding some green to this water. Water's actually rarely bright blue. It usually has some green or grays in it. The light coming from the sun is going to make the top of this wave the brightest. So this is where I'm starting to add the white oil pastel and really using it to blend the other colors. To blend is to mix them, and you notice that when you smear them with the white, you're getting a different effect than when it's just been colored and the paper is showing through. So I'll go ahead and finish up the blending process down through the bottom of this wave. I don't usually work this fast. This actually is sped up in this video, so take your time. I'll use some sunset colors for the sky, starting with the dark red, making sort of a vignette effect that is darker on the edges, lighter towards the middle. And now I'm down to the lightest color that I'm planning on using, my light yellow, and that makes a great blending tool. So getting rid of the white areas of the paper showing through and using that yellow to smear or mix the other colors together. To make it a little darker value in the corners, I think I'll add a little black, and I'm going to smear or mix that, blend that with, I think a red is what I'm using there, since that was definitely lighter than the black. As we proceed into the flame image, I'll use traditional flame colors, warm colors like the yellow, orange, red, and I think I'll even add a little purple and blue down at the base of the flames. So always start with your darkest regions. That'll be my blue and purple areas, working my way up towards the very lightest tips of the flames in yellow. I'm going to make the background sort of a midnight black background, some black, some dark blue, some light blue, and now doing that blending process. Notice the difference from the left side that's blended and the right side that has just been colored. See how the colored side shows the white and the left side is fully blended. For the color blending challenge, see if you can get colors to blend together like the red, the purple, and the blue. Use your lighter color to mix on top of the darker color and get them to blend together and not show any of the white paper through. Really mix those colors together. If you want a real challenge, here's a three-dimensional form challenge. Take the idea of a ball or an apple or something like that. Work from the darkest areas away from the light towards the lighter areas near the top of the object, and see if you can get a realistic looking three-dimensional form through blending those colors together. And the final piece has a cast shadow, a horizon line, the background colored for an effect more like this. We are Create Humboldt. What will you create?